Rick, we talked a little bit about software. We talked about some of the big announcements. Let's come back to the hardware and maybe tell us a bit more about the Sprint announcement on the Spark deal.
Yeah, so the Sprint Spark deal was great for us. In fact, we started working with Sprint probably a year ago on this project. And they had a very unique opportunity, rather than a challenge, I'd say, by having the Clearwire spectrum coming in. So the question they put to NSN was, what can I do with 180 megahertz of spectrum? And so we went away with our R&D engineers. We developed a new product, a new hardware platform, which we call AT8R, which allows us to basically have 4x4 MIMO running on this. So we've developed a completely new baseband module, which can give us massive throughputs, up to 5 gigabits per second throughputs on the baseband, and then a new radio module that allows us to do this 4x4 MIMO in the radio space. That combination really is allowing us to use the entire Sprint Clearwire spectrum band to get massive throughputs. And as I said, we're demonstrating 2.6 gig here. We demonstrated in the Valley in November last year the 1.3 gigabits. And that was actually providing real user experience, and an individual user experience of around 80 megabits per second on a download speed for a terminal, even today.
What makes that spectrum unique? Yeah, there's a lot of it, but you talked about TDD. Yeah. Why is that significant, and how may that apply to global markets?
Well, firstly, we think TDD is going to be very much a global market. We see a huge upside potential in TD technology. Now, of course, the benefit of TD is its unpaired spectrum. And so what that allows us to do is mix the ratio between uplink and downlink. So if parts of the network we feel we need a greater downlink because if there's a greater download speeds, or we want to provide a better uplink experience, we're actually able to move traffic between uplink and downlink much more easily than in a paired environment where you have limitations both on uplink and it's fixed. So in TDD we've got techniques that allow us to move traffic between uplink and downlink more effectively.